May I come in, sir?
Yes, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please pass on that. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
ଭଲ ଅଛ କେମିତି ଅଛ
Sir,
ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି କେମିତି ଆଜି କ୍ଲାଇମେଟ୍ କେମିତି ଅଛି
it's a sunny climate.
ସନି କ୍ଲାଇମେଟ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୁର ଫିଲିଂ ଟୁଡେ ହାଉ ୟୁ ଫିଲ୍ ଟୁଡେ
Yes, sir. It's a
ଭଲ ଅଛ ନାଇଁ
I'm feeling fine, and it's a learning opportunity.
after lots ମାନେ much running you are now feeling little bit of relaxed na
Sir,
okay
So you belong to Gajapati district,
sir,
and Mohana was at a time very much in news for Naxalism.
sir.
So can you throw some light on Naxal activity in the state?
In 2004, I think there was a Naxalite attacks on police force, on especially for SP. But from that onwards, there was not that much incident.
So why Naxalism has started declining in Odisha? What are the reason for the declining of Naxalism at present in Odisha?
Because our Odisha government is working with concerted effort and implementing with the 5T models very well.
Okay.
Because of it's a success of our government, I think.
Hey, what are the steps taken by the government? Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4 like this.
Greyhound working.
Greyhound is not in Odisha, it is Andhra Pradesh. Any steps that has been taken by the government, because government has a multi-pronged approach on Naxalism.
Sir,
So can you throw some light on that? What are the steps taken?
it's a multi-dimensional approach, I think. Like the connectivity of roads,
Launching development program,
launching infrastructure development,
Then-
and implementing the government policies,
very good.
generating the livelihoods of the remotest people.
Okay.
good
Then
What else?
it is basically government is trying to develop pro-government sentiments among the rural areas, those who are living in the remotest area.
How the government is able to develop their pro-government sentiment? Through welfare measures,
Sir,
through connectivity,
through
to
connectivity.
reaching to the people.
Sir,
Okay. Then what else?
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କହିପାରିଲନି ଟପ୍ ମାଇଲ୍ସ ଯୋଉ ଲିଡର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ
No, he has left so many things. Next is what? What else can be added?
and Odisha government is doing,
Joint operations by the combination of the center and the state.
sir,
Okay.
using of technology.
Use of technology.
Sir.
Help of the government of India
Sir,
in police modernization.
sir,
All these things.
Sir.
Okay. And one more thing. The Naxal surrender and rehabilitation policy.
sir,
Government of Odisha has declared a very good Naxal surrender and rehabilitation policy that led some Naxal leaders to surrender.
sir,
And through the operations, some Naxal leaders are killed.
sir.
Okay. Then coming to you have done your PG in mathematics. So can you say Indian contribution to mathematics?
Yes, sir. There were
India's
great.
contribution to mathematics.
Yes, our great mathematician Ramanujan has given many theories like system analysis theory and infinite series. Our great mathematician Aryabhatta gave world to the decimal concept, trigonometry concept, and the value of pi. So there are so many contributions from our Indian mathematician like Sakuntala Devi. Sakuntala Devi was known as human computer. She was very competent in calculating
What is
the
the
things.
value of zero? Zero have any value?
Zero has no value, sir.
No value.
Zero has value if it value
value
according to
zero
his, sir.
What sort of value zero has?
Zero has a value according to
value.
place value.
Zero has a space value.
Place value.
Yes, obviously. Okay.
There's a place when it's place and
Then can you tell me something about the optionals, geography and psychology?
Sir,
So you are from Gajapati. So the major tribes of your district, the tribal group in your district.
sir. The tribes, Sora tribes, Lanjia Sora is there, who is Lanjia Sora comes under PBTG group. Then Kandha is there. and Birhora tribe also there. That's what, sir.
Okay. What is Atmanirbhar Bharat?
It is, sir, vocal for local, creating self-resilient and self-reliant economy in our country by promoting indigenous industry to the larger extent, so that we will stop depending on the other countries. Make in India is different from Atmanirbhar Bharat. Make in India is we are promoting to the foreign investment, and we are telling them to come to India. India is a safe place for trading. Come here and do business here. Sir.
So, can you tell me the three major functions of the primary functions?
Sir.
Three primary.
Sir.
What is the developer going to do? Three major functions.
Sir. Maintaining law and order and bringing the lawbreakers into the mainstream society and social policing.
As the pertinent, three best. Social policing brings the policies to the mainstream are additional elevated functions.
Sir.
First law and order, then crime control,
Crime control, sir.
then investigation,
Investigation.
then comes to another.
Sir.
Okay. So, suppose you are delivering at OPS, OPS.
Sir.
So, which post will join? Posted as in which post?
Sir, whatever post
Which
God.
post to assign which post to posted? So, first which post?
Sir, if they will give me opportunity to choose, then I will select SDPO
Okay.
because I love to work in rural areas. I
How many police districts in Odisha?
police district.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, I
How
will
many
go.
revenue districts in Odisha? How many revenue Odisha? How many revenue districts?
I will go through it, sir.
30. Confused.
Achha,
When you tell revenue district, you confused.
Now, only 30 revenue districts. How many districts? That's my point. Are they 30 or more than that? We have 30 revenue districts.
Sir.
In Odisha. Now, how many police districts? You have been OPS as a person brother. Just an asking you.
Sorry,
How many
sir.
police districts?
Sorry, sir.
Who is head of Odisha police at present?
Sorry, sir. I will go
What is
through
the
it.
commissioner and police system? Police commissioner system in Odisha.
Sir.
What is the commissioner system?
Commissioner system.
Yes. What is the commissioner system?
System.
Yeah.
Commissioner system is, sir, totally different
How
from.
different from the normal security system?
Sir. Commissioner system is totally independent. Somehow it has given more autonomy. They are
Police, no.
as comparison to district police and commissioner. They can take magistrate power. And they are accountable to the higher authority, not accountable. But district, I have no idea, sir. I will go through it. Sir, I will go through it. Sir. Sir.
Suppose you are posted in the commissioner post, in the first posting.
Sir.
Which post will you do? And what designation?
SCP, sir.
And in the district posted as SDP.
SDP.
Sir. Because you are giving OPS as preference,
Sir.
so you are prepared on the police.
You belong to Gajapati.
Sir.
Why it is named so?
Pardon, sir.
Why it is named so?
Gajapati is named after Maharaja Krishnachandra Gajapati. It was named after Maharaja Krishnachandra Gajapati.
Who was he?
He was the main architect of our modern Odisha.
Main architect.
One of the main architect, Madhusudan Das.
Then any other thing about him?
Sir, he has lots of contribution. He attended 3 round table conference. He laid his life for creating our Odisha.
Was he
As
not
a,
the first Prime Minister of Odisha?
yes, sir. He was.
Who
The,
will tell it?
sir, he was the first prime minister. In 1936, he was the first prime.
Then we have one Gajapati in Puri. How will you became another Gajapati?
He was the ancestor of Gajapati of Puri,
He was the ancestor.
and he was the descendant. Sorry, sir. Descendant. I'm sorry.
The Gajapati of Puri, Kaplendra, the eldest son of Kaplendra went to Karnataka. That's why the line of descent became Gajapati. Okay.
Sir.
So remember it. You have to rectify the setting of your district. Yes. So, you are already in the police.
No, sir. I'm a faculty of.
Okay. So you have a fascination for police service.
Sir.
Who is the present DG of police?
Present is no, sir. I have no idea. I will go through it.
No idea. So you have to operate it, sir. Very quickly.
Sir.
When is your interview?
23rd, sir.
Very 18.
Only before the
Correct.
So very quickly you
Overall knowledge, because you were obtained from PS,
Sir.
do this. Okay.
Where is the training of the training institution of Uttar Pradesh?
In Bhubaneswar, Biju Patnaik.
There is the name.
Biju Patnaik Training Academy,
Police Secretary.
Police Academy,
But the last police secretary.
Hyderabad. Sir. Sardar
Atanu
Vallabh.
Kumar Patra. Atanu.
Sir.
Very good name, Atanu. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Atanu.
Yes.
Patro. Atanu.
Yes, sir.
Atanu.
PATR.
You are a very inclination to our police.
Yes, sir.
Perhaps you are posted in your own district in the remote area. Your district is Gajapati,
Sir.
in a remote area.
Sir.
Okay. A tribal came to you as a STPO and said that your officer in charge have not taken the FIR and he gained over by the opposite party. And what is your suggestion and what is your plan of action to give justice to the tribal land?
Justice for tribal area.
Tribal land.
Sir, if the police IS inspector in charge not taking the FIR, then I will, if it is real, I will take strict action as per the law and order.
What is your first plan of action? The lady may be true or may not be true.
I will investigate about the.
What is your plan of modus of operandi to go inquire and find out the fact and go for taking action? Because you are supervisory officer. Next your IIC or OIC, you are the next STP.
Sir.
So you are supervised. So you have to find out whether this authority is correct or not. What are your modus of operandi? How you can go to that? This is right or not?
Sir, I will consult both parties. First of all, I will ask to the in charge officer what is the issue. Then I will meet to the lady also. Then I will try to find out the real incidents, what had happened. So then after, if my police officer has done some malpractices, then I will take strict action against him. Or if the lady is telling lie, then I will warn her to not to do such kind of activities.
Okay. What is your optional subject in the your
Geography and psychology,
geography and psychology?
sir.
How you utilize your psychological knowledge in the police service?
Sir, psychological knowledge will help me to know the behaviors of the people and the mindset of the criminals, and it helped me to make myself as a successful leader.
What is motivation? What is motivation? How motivation will work in our working environment? That is called work motivation.
Sir, motivation means it is a drive to do a certain work. So work motivation depends on many factors. So the interest of the employee and the salary what he is getting, and either he is enjoying the work or not, that will also depends on his motivation level.
Which state, which country having highest working motivation in the world?
Sorry sir.
Which country people carrying highest motivation, working motivation with him?
China sir. China, Japan.
Why?
Because of they have China. In China it is totally centralized. There is no freedom of there is not that much freedom as in India. So they have the fear motivation. That's why they are working.
Okay.
In Japan they are highly civilized and highly cultured. So they have the inner motivation to do the work. It is the cultural factor.
What about USA?
USA has also greater motivation for the work, but as per comparison with this China and Japan, USA will come to the third position.
Okay. What are the immediate concern of India after Taliban take over Afghanistan? What are the immediate steps taken by the Modi government to subside this type of government? What is your opinion?
India first of all closed his embassy, and India is now India's stand is neutral, though it acknowledges the Taliban government, but officially not recognized. And India's stand is neutral because Kashmir issue is also there. So in future it will be very much clear what is the stand of India. Right now,
Do you think that the UNO complete failed in Afghanistan issues?
We cannot say as per absolute term, not exactly complete fail. It is the failure of the USA government, I can say, because USA immediately withdraw his force. It is not the failure of the United Nations, because United Nations is still working in the human rights platform. United Nations force is still there in Afghanistan. So we cannot say that it is a failure of United Nations. It may, in my knowledge, it may be the failure of United States of America.
Your hobby is fitness and mainly running,
Sir,
and watching motivational video. What are the important videos, motivational video,
Sir.
that affected your life most, influence your life, your work motivation?
sir,
Can you tell me the examples?
sir. There are so many motivational videos. I like Sadhguru, Isa Foundation. I love to watch Sadhguru speech and Mukundananda's speech and the Robin Sharma speech and
Those
Sikhen.
are all religious in nature.
Robin Sharma is motivational speaker,
speaker.
and both are Sadhguru and our Mukundanandji spiritual speaker.
Those people, those Babas become a headache for also country of India. So what is your opinion about this type of Babas, creating Babas culture? Do you think that they are giving better message to society?
Not sir, exactly we cannot say like that. Some Babas are good. They are working in humanitarian ground, like Ramakrishna Mission. Ramakrishna Mission has worked for social reforms and service to human. And there are many organizations are really working for the development of the society in the matters of mind and in the matters of all spheres of the human. they are working relentlessly, and there are some Babas, they are dishonest. For them, this is the
Okay. Last question,
sir.
not but least question. Everybody voting for a issue, voting for the goddess. June come, and everybody get reply.
Sorry, sir. Everybody.
If one thing come in June, people are voting for these things. In June, 1st of the June, it came to Odisha, and people get and farmer get benefited.
Monsoon, sir.
Which monsoon?
Southwest monsoon.
Southwest monsoon? Yes. How much? Where south monsoon coming from the Odisha? Where
South-
is first come?
Southwest monsoon comes from the high pressure belt, which originated in over Indian Ocean. It comes towards India. After it hits with Andaman Nicobar Island, then it hits to Kerala coast. Then after hitting the southern mountains, it bifurcated into two branches. Now one is Bay of Bengal branch, another is Arabian branch, and the Bay of Bengal branch enters into the Odisha and West Bengal coast, and mid of the zone.
Any other monsoon is there in India?
Yes, sir. Winter monsoon is there.
Which that is called?
Winter monsoon is happened in December.
Which winter monsoon is called which monsoon?
Northeast monsoon.
Northeast monsoon. Which monsoon bring highest rain in India?
Southwest monsoon, sir.
Southwest. Okay.
Sir.
Which is the wettest place in India, all over the world?
Cherrapunji, sir. Mosimiram.
No.
Mosimiram is the wettest place.
Yes. Highest. Second highest?
Second highest is I have no
You already
idea.
told. You already told.
Mosimiram.
Cherrapunji. Mushroom is first.
First, huh?
Mushroom in first. That is in Meghalaya.
Sir.
Then
Khasi Hills.
Khasi Hills of Meghalaya and Cherrapunji in Assam.
Sir.
It was first. Now it is second.
Sir.
Mushroom is first. Okay. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All the best.
All the best. Best of luck.